Hello, this is teacher Tatiana. Today we're learning about prepositions of place for third grade students. What is a preposition? Well, prepositions are words that show the relationship in space, time, or logical relationship between two or more people, places, or things. They're mostly followed by noun phrases and pronouns. Today, we want to learn prepositions of place. These are very little words that we can use to say where things are. They tell the relation of place between the action, the verb, and an object, a place, or a person. For example, in this picture, we can see a cat. The cat sleeps on the table. The cat, in this case, is doing the action. This is what we call a noun. Sleep, it's a verb. And here is the action of the sentence. Is what the cat is doing. The table is where the cat is at, is the object that receives the action sleep. But where is the cat sleeping in relation to the table? He is sleeping on the table. El gato se encuentra en la mesa. El gato hace la acción. Es un sustantivo. Dormir, sleep, es la acción que el gato hace. The table, la mesa, es el objeto, quien recibe la acción dormir. Pero ¿en dónde se encuentra el gato en relación con la mesa? Se encuentra encima, on, sobre la mesa. Here are some of the most common prepositions of place. In, on, under. Next to, between, in front of, and behind. There are more lists of prepositions of place, but these ones are the most common ones. Let's see some examples of sentences. The dog is in the box. The cat is between the bushes. The blue bird is in front of the green bird. The bird is under the box. And these were prepositions of place. This is teacher Tatiana. Thank you for watching and see you next class.